Hi guys, my name is Gokul from Lexus and Company. Today I am here to tell you about purchase order. A purchase order is a commercial document issued by a buyer to a seller indicating types, quantities and agreed prices for products or services the buyer wishes to purchase. It serves as a formal and authorization to for the seller to proceed with the sale. Here is a brief idea of what purchase order format may include. Header. The purchase order should have a clear header that includes words purchase order along with unique identification number. This helps in tracking and referencing the order. Buyer and seller details includes the name, address, contact information of both the buyer and the seller. This ensures that the purchase order is directed to the correct party and facilitates communication. Purchase order date indicate the date on which the purchase order is issued. Delivery details specify the request, delivery address or addresses along with any special instructions related to delivery such as specific dates or times. Item details provides a detailed description of each item or service being ordered, include information such as the item name or code, quantity, unit price or any other applicable discount. You may also include additional information such as desired brand or model. Total amount. Calculate the total amount for the order including any taxes or shipping cost. This allows the seller to know the exact value of the order. Terms and conditions include any relevant terms and conditions related to the purchase such as payment terms, shipment terms or return policies. This ensures clarity and sets expectations between the buyer and the seller. Authorized signature. The purchase order should include an authorized signature or stamp from the buyer to confirm its validity. Additional notes. If there are any additional instructions or specific requirements related to the purchase, such as packaging preferences or quality standards, you can include them in a separate note section. Remember that the format and the content of a purchase order may vary depending on the industry, company preferences and any specific requirements. It is advisable to consult with your organization's purchasing department and or seek professional guidance to ensure compliance with internal procedures and industry standards. So that's it for today. If you have any further notes, please comment down below. Thank you.